Welcome to today's chemistry lecture. In this lecture, we are going to study about the application of biochemistry, in which we discuss the different applications that we utilize in our daily routine life. So, without wasting any time, let's start our today's lecture. So, first of all, medical diagnostic and testing system. In this, the first application is blood tests. Their purpose: doctors utilize blood tests to identify various health conditions. These include infections, diabetes, anemia, organ failure, and many more. Basic blood chemistry. These tests check the specific amount of vital substances in the bloodstream, such as electrolytes, fats, proteins, glucose, enzymes. Organ function. The results provide official critical information regarding how well a person's kidney, liver, and other internal organs are currently functioning. Pregnancy test mechanism. A pregnancy test is checked to woman's urine or blood to determine if she is pregnant. The HCG hormone. Human chronic gonadotropin (HCG) is the specific hormone produced in the body during pregnancy. Diagnostic tests. Doctors usually perform two tests to confirm pregnancy. Quantitative blood test. These can measure the exact amount of HCG present in the blood, which also provides information about how far along the pregnancy has progressed. Blood test for cancer screening. The Galleri test. This is a specific type of blood test performed to detect cancer in its early stages. Scientific method. It utilizes advanced DNA sequencing to identify characteristic genetic patterns that can tell whether or not a person is suffering from cancer. Genetic testing and manipulation. Paternal genetic testing method. Genetic tests are typically performed by collecting and analyzing a sample of either blood or saliva or pus. Individuals undergo genetic testing to discover if they carry specific genetic changes themselves or to find out of if they can pass those genetic changes on to their children. Genetic engineering definition. Genetic engineering is a method used for changing an organism's genome. It's completely set of DNA technique. This process can involve making highly precise changes to a single DNA base, or it can involve deleting or inserting an entire region of DNA. Goal. It is done to modify genes in order to enhance the capabilities of an organism beyond what is normal. Application in plants. Through genetic engineering, plants can be modified to fight off diseases or resist environmental pollution. Gene therapy definition: a medical technique where a doctor fixes a faculty gene or replaces it with a healthy gene. Goal: the replacement is done to cure a disease to enable the patient's body to fight off a disease in a more effective way. Future outlook: this technique holds potential for treating a wide range of diseases in the future, including diabetes, AIDS, cancer, hemophilia. Cloning definition: cloning describes scientific methods used to create an exact genetic replica of a cell, a tissue, or an entire organism. The clone. The resulting copied material is called a clone and shares the exact same genetic characteristics as the original donor source.